Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Help Sourav. I'm Sourav Dutta and today in this video I am going to show you how to boot your HP laptop from a USB drive. First insert the bootable USB drive into a laptop. Next turn on the laptop and immediately press the escape key repeatedly until the startup menu appears. After the startup menu appears, then press the F9 to open the boot menu. After entering the boot menu, you need to select the USB drive. Use the arrow keys to select your USB drive and press the enter key. As soon as you press the enter key, the laptop will restart and boot from the drive. You will then be able to install Windows without any difficulty. You can easily boot your laptop using a USB drive in this way. I hope this video helped you. If you have any doubt related to this, let me know in the comment box below. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.